Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question, and we will solve this official guide question. We will discuss concept and tips and tricks. Remember, whenever you are going to solve any sentence correction question, the strategy should be to spot error. And to spot error and save time, there is always marker. And what is marker? Marker means what? For tense, there is marker. For modifier, there is marker. For pronoun, there is marker. For subject verb, there is marker. I'll discuss one by one in detail. First of all, let me read the passage. It says, using digital enhancements of skull fragments from 5 prehistoric hominids dating to more than 350,000 years ago, comma. Remember people, whenever there is phrase before comma, it plays a role of modifier. What is modifier? A piece of information for noun. And how to justify that this is correct noun or incorrect noun? To understand that, just we have to use first few words of the phrase. Using digital enhancement of skull fragments. Who can use it? No doubt, anthropologist. Alright, now we should glance the options that is called splitting tricks. Alright, so check that either any other noun instead of anthropologist. So answer will be yes. There are two options where the nouns are these human ancestors and these human ancestors. It's been what? This is modifier error. Why? Because ancestors cannot use digital enhancement fragments, skull fragments, right? So option D, out. Alright. At the same time, option E out, and that is called splitting. And this is tips for sentence correction. Now left with three options. Now check what are the differences. Alright. Now let us move ahead. Option A says anthropologists argue that these human ancestors. Okay. Option B says anthropologists argue so these human ancestors, and this is different. It's been what? Argue because that is why these human ancestors probably had hearing similar to. Anthropologists arguing that is why these human ancestors means incorrect meaning, and that is why option B out, because the sentence is not about cause and effect. So this is conjunction error. All right. Option C. Anthropologists argue these human ancestor. Here there is no conjunction between two clauses, and that is called run-on sentence. So whenever there are two subjects, two verbs, there must be conjunction to connect, and this is the conjunction error, and that is why this option out, A, becomes best option. So what is shortcut? What is tips and tricks? Marker for modifier, comma is marker, and WH family, that which who are the markers. So looking at marker, decide error, go to option, eliminate 2 or 3 options altogether. Rest of options can have different error, and that will be decided on the basis of intended meaning.